Good morning, dear students. This is the third class of your Chapter-4 linear equation in two variables. In the previous class, I have completed exercise 4.2 and especially we have learned about solution of a linear equation. I hope now all of you know how to find out the solution of a linear equation in two variables by making box or different way. See, today we're going to learn about a new concept, that is graph of linear equation in two variables. I think you have little knowledge about this. You got little introduction part in class 8 and also all of you know about graph because we have completed already chapter 3. There you got coordinate geometry. These things and this graph is same. How you need to plot the points in coordinate geometry, same way you have to plot here. Okay, now see, we know that a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. So all of you notice infinitely many solutions. How can you show them in a coordinate plane? Now question is what? That in calculation wise or there are so many ways to show linear equation in two variables infinitely many solutions, but how we can show it is in the coordinate plane, means graph. See, for example, we are having an equation that is x plus 2y is equal to 6. So find out some solutions like this. Suppose I am going to express y in terms of x, that x is equal to x6 minus twice y, because twice y is positive. When you transfer on the right hand side it will be minus. Now see, if you put y is equal to 0, then 2 zeros are, all of you know this method, 2 zeros are 0, then what is left? 6. The 1, then 4, then all this one, 3 0. Now see, do you see that? Now see the graph clearly. It is on the screen. You can see, do you see that the other points also lie on the line AB? You can see on the graph. Now pick another point on this line, say 8 minus 1. You can see this 8, if you draw perpendicular down, because plus minus, then you can see it will intersect at minus 1, means minus 1 is lies on that line or not, means 8 and minus 1 is lies on the line. Yes, so 8 minus 1 is a solution. Is a solution. You can see if you put 8, so 8 2s are, sorry, if you put minus 1, then minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. This is not minus, it is 8. So 8 minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is a solution. Let us from the graph, what do we observe? Let us list our observations from the graph. Every point whose coordinates satisfy equation lies on the line AB. Line AB means I am saying about the graph. This is straight line. Okay, what you can see on the graph, this is straight line. After plotting the points, we got the straight line. About this straight line, that is AB. So you can give in another name, no problem. So every point whose coordinates satisfy equation lies on the graph, means those points are satisfied this equation, they all are lies on the graph. Means those points, and you can take any points. Already I told you, those points are satisfied, then that points are lies on the graph, sure. Next, every point AB means any point, means A and B, just namely I told AB, on the line AB gives a solution of x equal to A and x equal to y equal to B. X equal to A and y equal to, y is equal to what? B of the equation. Any point which does not lie on the line AB, means those points you can see that this is not lie on that line. What we are getting, this straight line, that are not, because they are not lying on that line. That means what? They are not solution of this equation. Those points are lying on that line, they are solution of the equation. Means suppose a point 2 5 is lies. Suppose here you can see, especially for this equation, you can see that 6 0 lies on the line. That means what? Or 8 minus 1 lies on the line. That means what? 8 if the value of x is equal to 8 and y is equal to minus 1. Like that, this is why writing AB means any point. Clear? So, and those points are not lies on the line, they are not the solution of the equation. Those points are lies on the line, they are solution of the equation. Solution of the equation means the value of x and the value of y. And this is called a graph of the linear equation. And this is the main concept, okay? In case any doubt, please contact me, okay? So, now let's go to solve exercise 4.2. Exercise, sorry, 4.3. Question number 1. So, you have to draw graph for the given linear equation in two variables. Okay? Question number 1 means that you have to draw graph for the given equation. Okay? So question number 4, I will give you question number 4. There are 3 more questions, 1, 2, 3. You can solve it yourself. Okay? 3 is equal to 2x plus y. So first of all, 2x you bring on the right hand side, it will be minus. So y is equal to, or you can write like that, y is equal to 3 minus 2x. Now see, this one you know already. If in the place of x I am taking 0, you can take any value. I am taking small value. Why do you know? Since maybe your things are, why you are not taking 5, 6, 7. Yes, I can take 5, 6, 7, 1 lakh, 2 lakh. But if I am taking some small value, then it will be what? Easy to plot on the graph. Understood or not? That is why I am taking small values. Okay, 2x, then 0, 2 zeros are 0, then 3. Value of x now that I am taking 1, 1 2 are 2, so 3 minus 4, sorry, 1 2 are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, then the value of x is I am taking 2, 2 2 are 4, 3 minus 4 minus 1. Okay, now plot the point like that. First of all, you have to draw this graph. This is x-axis, so this is y-axis, and this is what? X-axis. And this is 0, the origin, the coordinates of origin is what? 0 0, already you got in chapter 3. So now see, for what is the first point? 0 3. So 0 0 3 0 3. The value of x is 0, value of y is 3. So this one you know. Just use those have confusion about this graph, please see carefully. Then 1 1 border positive, you can see 1 1 border positive. So this quadrant, so 1 1, this value of y is 1, so this one. Then the next one, 2 minus 1 means positive negative. This fourth quadrant, 2 minus 1, this is 2, then to come down minus 1. See, all points, if you draw a line like that, I am not using scale, that is why I can see little bit bent. Okay, but don't draw this line without scale, because I am handling my mobile by using my left hand, and I am writing by using my right hand. That is why I cannot use scale, and also I need to show you. Okay, but please, this one don't forget. In case of graph, don't use pen. It is mandatory to use pencil only, pencil and scale. Okay, use always pencil and scale. And this one you have to give because it has infinite many solutions. And already I told you, this one is a solution. Maybe here also one solution. These all are points or not. How to get a straight line? You go to definition of a straight line in chapter 3 or not? There are so many points or not. Infinitely many points. All the points are what? Solution of this line. And see, after drawing a graph, you have to find out it is a straight line. You are getting a straight line or not. It is not a straight line. That means somewhere you have done mistake. Either in calculation to find out the solutions, you have to see once more or saying once more what is the mistake. Understood? Or suppose sometimes some students are doing like that. Suppose they are getting these 2 points are here. By mistake they got here, but they did not find out they have done mistake here. They thought, okay, this one, so this is the line, like that. They are making it, and this is not a straight line. Okay, this is not a straight line. If you have got the solutions, then all solutions, if all solutions are correct, then 100% will get a proper straight line. Okay, and see, to draw the graph, how many points I got? How many points I got? 3. Means it is not mandatory you have to find out 3 points. By finding only 2 points, you can draw a graph. But if you find out 3 points, it is good. Okay, but minimum you have to find out 2 points. 2 points means understood, then like 0, 3, 1, 1, 2 points, then you can draw a graph. For drawing a graph, you need only 2 points, or more than that, no problem, but not less than 2 points. So please, from my suggestion, try to find out 3 points. It will be easy to draw the graph. Okay, next, this is the answer. You can give a name of this line like AB. Okay, this is y-axis and this is x-axis, or you can write the points like 2. You have to write the point 2 minus 1. This is 1 1, and this one what, 0 3. Okay, next, question number 3. If the point 3 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. See here, this 3 point lies of the graph of this equation. If this this point, this not this 3 point. If this point means what, 3 4. This 3 4 if lies on the graph of this equation, that means what? This is a solution of this equation. Yes or no? Already we have learned in the previous graph. Yes or no? If this point lies on this equation, that means what? Lies on the graph of this equation, that means what? This is a solution of this. Means we know 3 4 lies on the graph, therefore what? This is a solution. Solution means what? X is equal to 3 and y is equal to what, 4. So plot these 2 points. So 3y is x plus 7. Then what is the value of y? 4. So 3 into 4. What is the value of x? 3. So a into 3 plus 7. 3 4s are 12. If you transfer this 7 on the left hand side, then minus 7. 12 minus 7, 5. So a is equal to 5 by 3. Clear? I hope all of you understood. So see your homeworks. Okay, your homeworks, sir. Question number 1, sub number 1, 2 and 3, and question number 2. These 2 questions are your homework. This is a very, very interesting chapter, and already you have learned so many concepts from chapter 1 to chapter 4, or chapter 5 I have completed. Then aesthetics also I have completed. After that, what I have completed? Chapter 15, probability. See, if I miss out some chapter, actually I have forgotten how many chapters I have completed. I have to see. I have not done already. By the way, how many chapters completion, that is not a important matter now. Now question is what? This graph conception. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, so in case any doubt, please get back to me and clear your doubts, and submit your homework in the evening. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.